Hello, Namaste, and welcome back to Mommy Mantra. Today in our channel, we are going to see a wholesome, quick breakfast recipe along with a miracle drink. First, let's see how to make oats cashew vermicelli. If you are like me, who wants to include oats in the breakfast but don't like to eat oatmeal or plain oats upma, this is for you. Take a look of the ingredients before we start the recipe. Let's start making the recipe now. I have taken a pan. I have put the heat on medium. Take 2 cups of vermicelli and half spoon of ghee. Mix it well and fry it for 2 minutes. Let's add 2 cups of oats to it and roast them till they change in color to golden brown as I am showing in the video. We have made a much better mix than those packaged instant oats which we get in supermarkets, which are loaded with sodium and all kinds of preservatives. Once it gets cooled down, store it in an airtight container and you can use this mix for 1 month. You can use it in semia oats kheer or upma as we are showing now. On medium heat, take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to it and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal. Now let's add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, some curry leaves, chopped ginger and 3 green chilies. I have made a slit to the green chilies. If you want, you can chop it into small pieces. Now let's add cashews. I have taken 10 cashews here and broken them into small pieces. Once we see them nicely fried and golden, we will add chopped onion and carrot. Once you add them, you can add a half spoon of salt and mix everything together. It helps onion to release water and cook faster. Once onion and carrot are cooked, we will add 2.5 cups of water. I am making 2 cups of oats and vermicelli mixture, so for that 2 cups I will be taking 2.5 cups of water and a teaspoon of salt. Mix it and cover it with a lid. Leave it covered for 3 minutes or so. Once you see the water starts boiling, add a spoon of ghee to it. It really gives a nice flavor to the dish. Skip it if you don't like it. And then add 2 cups of oats and vermicelli mixture. The ratio is 2 cups of oats and vermicelli to 2.5 cups of water. For me, this is really a comforting and guilt-free dish because taking high sodium foods like the packaged oats, it results in water retention in our body, which in turn results in weight gain and high blood pressure. So it's much better than those packaged things. And coming to the recipe now, give it a nice mix and check for salt and add if needed. Let's give it a check after 2 minutes. As you see, there's little more moisture left in the dish. So let's turn the flame to high and leave it on high for 2 more minutes. This is how it looks after leaving it on high for 2 minutes. You can add some lemon juice at this stage or you can add it when you are serving. And now our dish is ready. Let's finish it off with adding some chopped mint and coriander. Isn't it looks yummy? It's tasty, it's healthy, it's comforting and it's sumptuous. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe to Mommy Mantra, like my video, share it among your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Let's dive into our second recipe to make our breakfast more nutrient rich and healthy. It is nothing but the most popular miraculous drink right now is ABC drink, which is nothing but apple, beetroot and carrot juice. This drink is really beneficial for each one of us, but particularly pregnant women and people suffering from PCOD and PCOS problem and any viral illness which includes decrease in platelet count. It's really simple to make. Wash, peel and chop 1 apple, 2 carrots and 1 beetroot. Put everything into a blender with 1 glass of water, normal temperature water, and blend everything together. Once you have blended, add some cumin and turmeric. These are purely optional. I like to add cumin because Beetroot is very rich in iron and it may cause little indigestion in kids. So I like to add cumin when I give this juice to my kids. Filter it and add the pulp back to the blender. Add half a glass of water, blend it and filter it again. So you will be remain with 2 glasses of juice. Add some lemon juice to it and it is ready to serve. Drinking this juice thrice a week increases your red blood cell count, purifies your blood, and it is really good for people who have low hemoglobin levels. My only motto or intention behind sharing healthy recipes is to promote clean and mindful eating. I think it is more than necessary to all of us in this present world situation. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to Mommy Mantra if you like my videos. See you all in my next video. Till then, eat healthy, stay home and stay safe.